Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how you can hide your email from other workspace members or users in general on Slack really quickly and with very little effort. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So head over to your workspace on Slack, for example. I'm going to use that one here for the sake of this tutorial. And what you want to do, guys, is access your workspace settings. To do that, click on that arrow down icon next to the workspace name here in the top left corner and select Tools and Settings. And after that, hover your mouse over that menu here to the right and select Workspace Settings. That is going to open these settings in a new tab. So what you want to do here, guys, is simply scroll down a bit till you get to the email settings, email display. Click on Expand here to the right and make sure that you switch from who can see your email addresses from members and guests or members and guests plus people from external organizations you're connected to the first option here, no one. That is going to hide your email address from basically from everyone here on Slack. To keep it 100% private, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on that button here. And these changes are going to be applied instantaneously, guys. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.